There's something nice in this package. Open it up. So inside the package is yet another package. Speed Dawg shift knobs. That's a nice selection. This one here I ordered for the Trans Am. Lock nut. Instructions. This one here is threaded for the T56 Magnum shifter, or the MGW shifter, which is possibly the stock shifter also. We have the little Firebird in there and a Momentary button, and that'll be for 2-step. Then this can wire down into the shift booth and hide. This is a really nice piece. Just a little small item, but I think, you know, it deserved its own little reveal video. So this is a quality part. And for the Momentary switch, in this option, the color I went with, and the bird, it was right at $100. So I have the Trans Am emblem shift knob with the black pearl color option, and I took the Momentary switch, Momentary button with it. So that brought it up to right around $100 shipped to me.